Good evening, class. Tonight we are talking about lesson 3, and we're looking at multiplying. I can multiply a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. I can multiply 2-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers. I can use illustrations using equations, arrays, and place value and area model to show it. Okay? So let's see what that looks like. So first thing we're going to talk about patterns. So 9 times 10. We should know this one. This should be an easy one, right? 9 times 10 is 90. What about 9 times 100? It's 900. 9 times 1,000 is 9,000. This should remind you of when we talked about place value and expanded notation. Remember expanded notation? Notation is when we take a number, for example 43, and we said 4 times 10 plus 3 times 1. All right, very similar, the same concept, right? What do you notice when we by this multiplying by 10 and then by 100 and by 1,000? I want you to think about it. Let's look at another problem. What about 6 times 10, 6 times 100, 6 times 1,000? What do we get? 60, 600, 6,000. Very good. Noticing anything yet? Let's try one more and then we'll talk about what we notice. 72 times 10, 72 times 100, and 72 times 1,000. Again, we have 720, 7,200, and then 72,000. Okay. So I'm going to write over our numbers from before: 60, 600, 6,000, and we had 90, 900, 9,000. What do you notice is happening with each number we multiply by? I notice that there's 1 0 here, there's 2 zeros here, there's 3 zeros here. Same thing here. The same thing here. And I also notice that the front number stays the same each time. Notice how they all stay the same? There's a 72 in front of all those, there's a 6 in front of all those, and there's a 9 in front of all those. We just end up adding zeros for each time we multiply. Very good. All right, well, make sure you copy your notes into your notebook. Make sure that you have them tomorrow for class. When you come in tomorrow, we'll have an interest ticket to complete. Talk to you then.